Hello. In previous lecture, we are discussed about the multiplexer. Now, their use in combinational logic design and multiplexer trees. These 2 points we'll discuss now. Up to here we'll reach. Okay. So next one is your multiplexer use in combinational logic design. See the function f abcd summation of m 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, and then comma and then d 4, 6, 15, like these are totems. So first, if you observe the function, its max number is what? 14, right? So obvious, it is given 4 variable, okay? So 2 raised to power 4, 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 4 multiplied by 2, 8, 8 multiplied by 2, 16. So it is nothing but 16 as to 1 multiplexer. 16 as to 1 multiplexer. So what we have to do? We have to draw one multiplexer, 16 inputs and 1 output. Obvious, 16 means we require the 4 select line. We require 2 raised to n equal to 16 means we require the 4 select line S0, S1, S2, S3 like this one. And very simple, the concept is what? Those number are exit, that pin we have to connect it to logic 1. Logic 1 means VCC. This one 3, 5. So see I1, I3, I5. Similarly 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14 connected to the VCC. And D 4, 6, 15. Its meaning is that 4, 6, 15 may be connected to either 0 or 1. There is no effect on the outputs. There is no effect on their respective output. So and after that, these 4 S0, S1, S2, S3. Now suppose all are connected to the ground. What will be happen? All 0 means first line will be selected. Here input is what? 0. So here if you connect your LED, then that LED is off. Now 0, 0, 0, 1. S1, S0 is connected to 1. Then one line will be routed. 1 is I1 connected to the VCC. So if you connect here LED, in that case this LED will be glow. In previous case the LED will be off because I0 is connected to 0. In this way, this multiplexer used in combinational logic design. Okay. Now next point is your multiplexer trees. See, it is possible to expand range of inputs for multiplexer beyond the available range by interconnecting several multiplexer in cascade. The circuit with 2 or more multiplexer connected to obtain the multiplexer with more number of inputs is known as multiplexer trees. Okay, means if you are having the 2 to 1 multiplexer and if you want to design 4 to 1 mux, in that case 2 to 1 multiplexer correct 2 to 1, like this one the 2 we have to select and both will be cascade. Okay, and we can design 4 to 1 mux. Okay, so circuit with 2 or more multiplexer connected to obtain the multiplexer with more number of inputs is known as multiplexer tree. See the diagram. It is what? 8 to 1 multiplexer. See 0 to 3 means 4. Here is 0 to 3. And these are the table S0, S1, S3. Okay. For 8, how many your select line is required? 3 select line. So these 2 is common from both one, enable pin like this one. Okay, and the output of the first and second is connected to the third mux, and this is your third select lines. Okay, so you can see if it is 0, it is 0 and it is 1. In that case what will be happen? The first line will be routed towards the output X. Okay, Similarly, for the S2 is 0, S1 is 0 and S1 is 1. S2 is 0, S1 0, S0 is 1. At that time, the first line will be rotated. In this way, it will be work. All are 0 or 1. It will be decided by the respective multiplexer. If all zeros, it is connected to here, and again S3 will be decide, S2 will be decide which is line we have to rotate. Okay, so in this way we can implement constructed 8:1 multiplexer. Now next is your Boolean function implementation. See, another method of implementation of the Boolean function is using the multiplexer. So in the same way, for doing that, assume that Boolean function has n variable and we have to use multiplexer with n minus 1 select line. For first n minus 1 variable of function is used for data input, and second the remaining single variable used for data input. Each input can be z bar 1 or 0. Okay, so we'll take one example and it will be understand cascading the multiplexer. See, both are okay, 2 right, here is 2, and we can implement using 3 2s to 1 to make 4s to 1, 2 2 1, and second third one this one, and we can implement the 4s to 1. Okay, similarly you can cascade for the 8s to 1 by using 2s to 1, and again it is possible like this one can cascade. Okay, so it is required, it is 4 to 6 and 1 7. Using the 7 2s to 1 marks we can design the 8s to 1 marks. Okay, so that will be depends upon the what we want to design, and according to that we can implement. So it is nothing but multiplexer trees. Okay, so I hope we understood the multiplexer tree, how we can implement it, okay. And here one example is given, 4 input function with the multiplexer. The function is given, okay, and how we can implement this function, like these are the shown in the table. Okay, so I hope we understood the implementation as well as the mux. Okay, so in mux this picture is clear, the many to 1, many inputs to 1, and that many, out of that many, which input we can rotate, that will be decided by select line. Okay, thank you. I hope you understood the multiplexer, their implementation in combinational logic circuit, and finally multiplexer trees.